My organization is the Latino Community Development Agency. Our mission is to provide and help the Latino community here in the OKC metro area by providing some kind of social service. What we created was a kind of like a Linktree resource, like a digital e-card where people could scan a QR code and have access to a lot of like educational videos, maybe the addresses and our numbers to our clinic. So if they had any questions or how to get, tested, they could easily just access it in a push of a button.
Our purpose is to inform caregivers and young adults about teen pregnancy, sexual health, gender identity, sexual orientation, knowing the difference and knowing that there's resources out here and it's free of cost.
Sexual health is very important. Everybody kind of has a sexuality and that everybody has like a lot of questions. For a lot of us, it's kind of confusing.
People don't want to talk about sexual health, especially the Latino Hispanic community. It's kind of embarrassing to them. It's something that's not talked about growing up.
And there's not a lot of people, unfortunately, in that realm here in Oklahoma that are saying, hey, let's have that conversation in a healthy, safe space in a professional way with families and caregivers.
Without Spark Innovation OKC, we'd probably be in a harder spot. We'd probably not be able to go to as many outreach events or have an extra employee to help us. For one of us to go to outreach events and reach more people, we obviously need help. The Spark Innovation program has continued to help us, and I don't know if they know the help that they bring us, but it's humongous.
They helped our caregivers develop a way to have resources for families, their teens, their kids, even family and friends around their age. A lot of the times they don't even have the education themselves to be able to give to their younger ones. So it gives us the opportunity to give them information and be able to educate them.
The stuff they're putting out isn't stuff that's 10 years old, 20 years old. It's trying to be something, more recent.
We're all in this together, so I think that's something that we provide to society and make sure that people know that there's nothing shameful to talk about.
I'd like to thank Spark for doing what they're doing. Tackling these tough issues is very needed and helpful in our community.